Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today I'm going to talk about how you calculate the first day of the month and the last day of the month. A couple of viewers had some questions about that. So I'm going to go start with sheet 5, and we've got a date field. And pull that over, and I'm going to change this so I want to actually see the date. Now as soon as I do this, it changes this pill up here to continuous. And it gives you all these dates here. I don't want that. I want it to actually be discrete so I can see every individual date in a row. I don't know why Tableau does it that way. Maybe you guys know of a way to bring it over this way. If so, please let me know so I don't have to keep doing this every time. Alright, so now I'm going to create a calculated field. And I'm just going to call this first day of the month. And then we're going to use the DATETRUNC function, which means we're going to truncate the date. And this can be the day, the month, the quarter, the year. They have to be lowercase. And then we're just going to put date in there. And click OK. And then we'll pull this over, and we'll have to end up doing the same thing. And that's just what I'm talking about. So because it's a date, Tableau automatically says, hey, let's show it as the first, show it at the year. We want it at the day. And then we need to, because it changed to continuous again, that's what the green pill means, change it to discrete. It basically says, truncate the date, get rid of the day. We're going to truncate it at the month level so you have the first of the month. All right. Now, I'm going to show you, we're going to just duplicate this. And I'm going to show, just change this to last day. Because maybe you're like me and you can't always remember how many days hath September, June, July, and November. Yeah, I can't even get the little limerick right. We just want to go back one day. So we're going to say date add, and we've got, once again, we just want to do the day. We just want to go back one day. The interval is -1. If you wanted to go forward, so you saw the second of every month, you could do that. And then this is the date that we've already calculated. Okay, and we're going to bring the last day of the month over. And so now you have the last day of the previous month. And you can do this once you've got that logic down. You can add years or whatever to it. I'm just going to show you real quick. I'm going to show you what it looks like for the year. And now for the 2014, it's all going to show as January 1st. Now you could probably use this for, if you were looking for what is the quarter, and then you can see the quarter. A couple people wanted to see it, so there you go. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing. Make sure you keep those ideas coming, and until next time.